Ready to move your USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet with total confidence? Let's jump right in. First, open your Binance app and tap on Wallet located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you'll manage all your crypto assets. Next, select Spot at the top of the screen. Your Spot wallet holds the cryptocurrencies you've purchased or deposited on Binance. Now, find USDT in your list of cryptocurrencies. You might need to scroll down. If you have a lot of different coins, once you've found it, tap on Usdt. On the USDT details page, you'll see a few options. Tap on Withdraw. This initiates the process of sending your USDT to another wallet. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. Find USDT in your list of crypto assets and tap on it. On the USDT page in Trust Wallet, tap the Receive button. This will generate the unique address you'll use to receive your USDT from Binance. Here's your USDT receiving address. Tap the copy icon next to the address to copy to your clipboard. Be sure to only copy the address and nothing else. Now, go back to the Binance app and paste the address you just copied from Trust Wallet into the address field. Select the correct network. Turk20 is generally recommended for its low fees. Double check that the network matches a one supported by your Trust Wallet for USDT. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to withdraw. Double check all the details, including the address and the network, to avoid any errors. Once you are sure everything is correct, tap the Withdraw button and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your transaction. You may need to complete a security verification step. Finally, check your Trust Wallet. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to be processed and for your USDT to appear in your Trust Wallet, and that's it. Your USDT has been successfully transferred.